You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the SDC International Shipping Podcast. In this third episode in our series on moving to New Zealand, we're exploring the different destinations you can choose and how SDC International Shipping ensures a smooth move to any corner of this beautiful country. From the bustling cities to the more secluded locations, we're here to make your transition as seamless as possible. So let's get started. Whether you're planning to settle in a major city like Wellington or Christchurch, or perhaps a smaller community like New Plymouth, SDC International Shipping has you covered. We provide comprehensive services that cater to your needs, no matter the destination. Even if you're headed to a more remote area, our coordinated intake transportation services will ensure that your belongings make it to your new residence without a hitch. Relocating to New Zealand isn't as much about moving to a new house. It's about starting a new chapter in a country known for its natural beauty, rich culture, and welcoming communities. New Zealand is a country full of fascinating history and culture, which makes it an exciting place to call home. Did you know that New Zealand was the first country in the world to grant women the right to vote all the way back in 1893? The movement was led by a fierce campaigner named Kate Shepherd, who is now commemorated on every $10 bill. The country continues to champion gender equality, and that's just one of the reasons many expats love New Zealand and call her home. And of course, we can't talk about New Zealand without mentioning their love for rugby. The All Blacks are one of the most powerful rugby teams in the world, known for their skill, but also how powerfully they perform before every game. Rugby is a massive part of the culture here, and whether you're a fan of the sport or not, it is a tradition that brings communities together all across the country. When it comes to moving your belongings to New Zealand, SDC International Shipping has the experience you need. We make sure that regardless of your destination, your household goods arrive safely and on time. Our range of services, from shared and exclusive container options to air freight, packing assistance, and international insurance, provides the flexibility and reliability you need during your relocation. We know that moving can be stressful, especially if you're moving overseas, but with our expertise and dedication to quality service, your move to New Zealand can be as smooth as possible. Our agents are here to help you with every detail, from custom paperwork to coordinating inland transportation right to your door. Whether you're headed to one of New Zealand's vibrant cities or a more secluded spot, SDC International Shipping is committed to making your relocation stress-free. From Auckland to Christchurch and everywhere in between, we ensure your belongings arrive safely, giving you the freedom to explore your new home. Thanks for joining us for Day 3 in our series on moving to New Zealand. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll focus on preparing for your move, including packing tips and what you need to do before the departure. Don't forget to visit our website or give us a call for more information and a free quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.